My name is Zakela, and I would like to compliment you guys on the good job you have been doing.
Thank you.
And the question is, I filed for my husband 2 years ago. At the time, I was a resident, a green card holder. Now I'm a citizen. I swore in on Thursday. Originally, when I filed for him, I do have a stepson, and I just put his name where it says ask for kids. Do I need to file a separate I-130 for the stepson?
Yes. You need, now that you're a citizen, you have to file separate I-130s for each for the husband and for each child.
Whenever my husband gets through, the child won't be able to come unless I file that I-130?
Correct. Where's your husband? Where's your husband?
Jamaica.
Yeah, no, you have to file a separate I-130 right now for that child.
Thank you, Brad. Okay,
you're welcome. And you know what I generally recommend is, because that happens a lot and people don't realize, what happens is when you become a U.S. citizen, whatever family members you include on that I-130 fall off. So what I generally recommend to people is that if you're filing for your spouse and you're a permanent resident and you want to file and you want to include his children or both of your children in that application, then, and you know that you are shortly going to be a U.S. citizen, or you will be a U.S. citizen, and when you become a U.S. citizen, that will speed up the case. If you already know that ahead of time, file separate I-130s for each of the children right up front. And that way, when you become a U.S. citizen, everybody can now go to the embassy together to pick up their green cards. In this lady's case, what's going to happen is that the father or the husband's going to get his green card, and the stepchild's going to probably be about 6 months behind, because the father's already ahead of the game because that I-130 is already filed, and now we're just going to be starting to file the I-130 for the stepchild.